Hey, what is up guys, PokeLegoCuber here, and today I'll be having another cleaning video, and it's a motherboard. Let me start off by saying I know I shouldn't put it in this bag, should put it in an anti-static bag. At the time I didn't have one, but now I do, so anyway. I'm going to be cleaning this motherboard. Some places really filthy, like this part. As you can see, if the camera wants to focus, it's perhaps see. It's a lot of dust over there. The back isn't as bad. It's actually not. It's pretty clean, the back, but I'm gonna dust it off a little bit too. This motherboard is from Dell Optiplex 755. It has a LGA 755 socket. I have a CPU in here for now because when I dust it off, I don't want to bend any of the pins. It has 4 RAM slots. It takes DDR2, a parallel ATA, IDE hard drives, 2 PCI, 1 PCI Express, power for motherboard power, CPU power, a bunch of SATAs. For the I/O, it has 2 audio ports. Let's see, 6 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port, 1 VGA, 1 parallel ATA, and 1 serial. And that's pretty much it, except for all this dust. Really, dust. Like last time, I'll be cleaning with this brush and this garden pump. Before we start the cleaning process, I'm going to take out the CMOS battery. Come on. Just push that pin. Okay, CMOS battery's out. Okay, time for the first initial blow. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. As you can see, most of the dust has come off. But I'll finish it off with a brush. But as you can see, it's a lot cleaner now. Here's my second blow. Wow, this motherboard looks a whole lot cleaner right now. Sorry for the bad camera angles. I'm not really used to filming like this. So, yeah. Dust out the PCI slots and the RAM slots. So, start. Oh, dust is flying everywhere now. So after that last clip, I've cleaned the motherboard thoroughly, and yeah, so corners like these used to be gunked up with dust, as you can see. All these places are clean, like the RAM slots, the PCI slots and PCI Express, this place. Yeah, so the reason I made this video of me cleaning this motherboard is because it's also part of a much bigger project, just like my last video of clean the power supply. So anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a nice day.